We'll be constructing a triangle given the length of 3 sides. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a baseline distance at 1 for the base AB, and we use a T-square and a pencil to draw this line. So this is A, B. Then we're going to open our compass to the length of the side AC. Going to measure the distance. Then we're going to put it at A, mark an arc. We're going to measure the distance BC, put it center point at B, mark an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, that is C. So we're going to join from B to the intersection and from this intersection to A. Then we're going to label the top of the triangle C. We're going to darken BC, sorry. Then we're going to darken CA. So we'll be constructing a similar triangle to another triangle, but with a different perimeter. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our T-square. I'm going to extend the line to the left and right of points A and B using our T-square and pencil. We're going to put our compass at A, radius C. I'm going to mark an arc to intersect the line that we extended to the left of A. We're going to put the compass at B, radius C. We're going to mark an arc to the line that we extended to the right of B. Then, what we're going to do, we're going to label these 2 points D and E as shown. Now, what we're going to do now is to measure the length of the sides so that we can determine what would be a good perimeter. All right, so we have 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 4.5 centimeters. So when you add it up, you get 14.5 centimeters. So what we're going to do, we're going to make the perimeter smaller. So we're going to measure 12 centimeters, which is less than the measurement of the perimeter of the original triangle ABC. So we're going to label this point, having drawn the line at an angle, F. We're going to join F to E using our ruler and pencil. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to copy this angle AEF. So we're going to mark an arc with the compass and the radius about 2 centimeters. Then we're going to, from B, we're going to mark an arc because we're copying the line EF from B. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put the compass on the line that we extended and to the radius of the arc, the intersection of the arc and the line EF. And we mark that arc where the first arc intersect the line AB. Then where the two arcs intersect, from B we draw a line through the intersection to intersect the perimeter line that we drew AF. Not AF, DF, sorry. We're going to copy the angle again at A, like what we did before. So we're going to mark this arc at A. Then we're going to measure this distance as we did before. And then we're going to mark where the arc intersect. Where the two arcs intersect, we're going to draw a line from A to the intersection of these two arcs. So we draw this construction line using our ruler and pencil. Where these two lines intersect the line which we drew at an angle for the perimeter, which is DF, we're going to label this point G and H. What we're going to do now, we're going to get our compass And we're going to put the compass point at G, radius F, and we're going to mark an arc towards the left. So we're going to mark an arc going around, yes, using our compass and pencil. We're going to put the compass at H, radius D, and we're going to mark an arc to intersect the arc which we drew in the previous step. Where those two arcs intersect, this is I. We're going to join I to G and I to H using our ruler and pencil. Then we're going to join G to H, and this would be the similar triangle to the given triangle ABC, but with a different perimeter. What we're going to do now, we're going to indicate the distance for the perimeter. So we're going to use our set square and pencil, or you can use a ruler. I'm going to darken the arrow, putting on the dimension. This line is the perimeter. So we're going to label it perimeter. What we're going to do now, we're going to use our T-square and pencil to draw some guidelines, which are 4 millimeters apart, so that we can label the drawing. All right, so we're drawing two pairs of parallel lines, which are 4 millimeters apart, and we have 4 lines drawn here. All right, the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to label the drawing, okay? All right, so to construct a triangle similar to a another triangle but with a different perimeter. So good job if you followed along. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we constructed a similar triangle to a given triangle, but with a different perimeter. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to draw the centroid for a given triangle. At CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite math channel, and we hope that you are doing fine. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.